Memory. That vast space where moments just lived and our most deeply buried memories jostled together. Around the world, some people seem to have unlocked its secret. Ben Pridmore, capable of memorizing the order of a deck of cards in less than 25 seconds. Yusheng Du, who after observing a Rubik's Cube, manages to solve it in just 3.47 seconds. Or Jonas von Essen, who memorized the first 50,000 decimals of pi. And you, if you knew their secret, what kind of miracle could you accomplish?
We all have memorable memories.
That's right.
I want you to think of a significant event in your life.
Okay.
Got it? It's an event that changed your life a little, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. A meeting.
Exactly.
We're in a room, right?
A room, yeah.
Where exactly are we?
I was in a bar.
Yeah, we're in a bar, right? I have a clear image of the bar. There's a woman is serving you. No, wait. The woman is next to you. It's a man who's serving you.
Yes.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's exactly it. Wait, that's not all. I hear a song playing in the background, in the bar. There's a book lying on the bar. I don't know what that means. Listen, I have this in my mind. It's striking to me. When exactly was that?
It was 2 years ago on January 8th.
It was January 8th. It's weird because I see a Stephen Hawking book lying there and I hear music, English pop. David Bowie? Listen, I've got that in mind. I'm sure there's a connection. Can you take your phone and check if there's a connection?
Indeed, there is a connection. January 8th is the birthday of David Bowie and Stephen Hawking.
It was January 8th. It's weird because I see...